bother bother का मतलब होता है सहमत करना। bother सहमत करना। No one bothered to wash the dishes. No one bothered to wash the dishes. Indicate indicate का मतलब होता है इशारा करना। indicate इशारा करना। Do not indicate towards someone. Do not indicate towards someone. Worth worth का मतलब होता है कीमत। Our house is worth a lot of money. Our house is worth a lot of money. Mystery mystery का मतलब होता है राज या समझ न आने वाली बात। This map was full of mystery. This map was full of mystery. Behavior behavior का मतलब होता है रवैया। His behavior was not good. His behavior was not good. Personality personality कहते हैं शख्सियत को। John has a bad personality. John has a bad personality. Complex complex का मतलब होता है पेचीदा। He was an unusually complex man. Event event का मतलब होता है तकरीब। They organized a great event. They organized a great event. Strike strike का मतलब होता है मारना या हड़ताल। He struck the girl. He struck the girl. Associate associate का मतलब होता है वाबस्ता होना। I don't like the people you associate with. I don't like the people you associate with. Instance instance का मतलब होता है मिसाल। This is only one instance out of man. This is only one instance out of man. Involve involve का मतलब होता है मुलविस होना। Are you involved in this matter? Are you involved in this matter? Period period का मतलब होता है अरसा। They took a period of 20 years. They took a period of 20 years. Populate populate का मतलब होता है आबाद होना। Billions of people populated the earth. Billions of people populated the earth. Produce produce का मतलब होता है पैदा करना। This tree produces apples every year. This tree produces apples every year. Regular regular का मतलब होता है बाकायदा। Our regular lunch time is around 2 p.m. Our regular lunch time is around 2 p.m. Sign sign का मतलब होता है निशान। This sign indicates that today is bad day. This sign indicates that today is bad day. Tip tip का मतलब होता है नोक। The tip of his pen was very sharp. The tip of his pen was very sharp. Trash trash का मतलब होता है कचरा या रद्दी की टोकरी। Please take out the trash. Please take out the trash. Awful awful का मतलब होता है खौफनाक। Her performance was awful. Her performance was awful. Consist consist का मतलब होता है मुश्तमिल होना। This novel consists of 3 parts. This novel consists of 3 parts. Desire desire का मतलब होता है ख्वाहिश होना। My sister desires a big house. My sister desires a big house. Household household का मतलब होता है घरेलू। My mother bought household things. Intend intend का मतलब होता है इरादा। Her intent is to visit Italy next summer. Pace pace का मतलब होता है रफ्तार। He ran at a slower pace than me. He ran at a slower pace than me.